What's going on, everyone? Charlie here. So, yeah, it took a lot of time to put together all of the AMC FTDs for the entire year that we've had reported so far. I had a lot of requests for this, so I went ahead and did it. And what we have here is, I'll show you the numbers, but basically every day that we've traded this year, AMC has failed. Okay, so this is everything reported between January 4th of this year and September 30th of this year. So when you total them all up, you get a grand total of 197,787,520 shares have failed to deliver this year, with the average amount being 1,104,958 per day. So once we chart this, this is what it looks like, okay? So is this an FTD squeeze? Because look, boom, 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 boom. January, as soon as we hit the high peak, the only time we ever hit over 2.5 mil was on January. Let's see here. I mean, obviously, going to be 27th, right? Yep, 27th. Of course. So, as you can see here, we hit the peak, we go down, and we don't even get near the second tier of 500,000 or more until June 3rd, which is when we ran again. But look, there's no, when we ran in January, there was no, there's shit tons of FTDs. But then we get to June and we just have a little bloop. That's about it. And then we can see here, nothing, right? So maybe we're coming up around the corner for what we did before with the FTD squeeze, maybe. Who knows? But I just wanted y'all to see that the total amount, again, is 197,787,520, with the average amount failing per day being 1,104,958 when you account for a year long. So there you have it, AMC FTDs, nearly at 200 mil for the year, and we are a month behind, so we still have October's numbers to report. So, oh man, looking like maybe getting close here. Who knows? I'm holding though. Let's go.